Classic Corvette builds are always welcome, especially if they are as suave and tastefully made as this 1967 model that popped up on Bring a Trailer. Unlike the big block C2 build that recently starred at SEMA, this is a Corvette Convertible, built by Jeff Hayes of American Speed Shop in Bloomington, Indiana, in 2020. It was acquired a year later by the current owner. This take on the American classic utilizes a fiberglass body finished in a black and red theme that exudes class and sophistication. It sits on an Art Morrison fabricated chassis, equipped with tubular front control arms at the front and a multi-link setup at the back. It also rides on 18-inch Schott Fuel wheels at the front and a bigger 20-inch set at the back. This C2 build has strange engineering coilovers and QA1 springs for enhanced handling. It also has front and rear sway bars and a power-assisted rack and pinion steering. Stopping power for the car is handled by polished 6-piston Wilwood brakes at the front and 4-piston rear calipers over drilled and slotted rotors at the back. The vehicle's interior gets custom bolstered bucket seats upholstered in red leather, complementing the sinister aesthetic outside. The dashboard has also been color-matched to the seats, door panels, and shift boot. In keeping with its classic theme, it also gets a push-button radio, odometer gauges, and vintage air climate control. Modern accoutrements include power windows and a new digital gauge cluster. The latter shows the vehicle having run 126 miles, though the car's actual mileage is still unknown. Under the hood, the Corvette is a 6.2-liter LS3 V8 linked to a 4L70E 4-speed automatic transmission. V8 swaps on classic Corvettes have been done before, but this one takes a modern twist. The motor has upgrades such as a top street performance velocity aluminum intake manifold and fuel rails. No dyno sheet was provided with the vehicle, but based on the stock figures of the LS3, it should be making over 430 horsepower and 425 lb-ft of torque, with all that power being sent to the rear wheels with a 9-inch rear axle. Aside from this, the two-door convertible also gets a Chevrolet Performance Hot Cam camshaft, an Eddy Motorsports Serpentine accessory drive system, an aluminum radiator, and stainless exhaust headers. While it may not sound as raunchy as the upcoming Corvette ZR1, the aftermarket exhaust does enhance its already intimidating V8 rumble, as heard in the video uploaded on its online listing. Unsurprisingly, this clean Corvette C2 build has bids nearing the $100,000 mark. The hammer will fall in 5 days, so you might want to hasten up if you plan to grab this one from the auction.